Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Football superstar Cristiano Ronaldo and his longtime partner Georgina Rodriguez have officially tied the knot in a private and intimate ceremony in Cascais, Portugal. The couple's 5 children were also present for this special occasion. Ronaldo shared a beautiful photo of their wedding rings on social media with a simple caption, "See Red G." The couple first met in Madrid in 2016. And since then, their relationship has become one of the world's most famous celebrity partnerships. Georgina Rodriguez has built her own successful career in fashion and television, while Cristiano Ronaldo continues to be one of the greatest football stars in history. After nearly a decade together, Ronaldo and Georgina have now started a new chapter of their lives as a married couple. This special moment marks another memorable milestone in a love story followed by millions of fans around the world. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for more updates.